Alright, what's up guys? This is Lucas here. So today I have an unboxing from the Cubicle.us. Looks like there's just one cube in this package, so should be pretty brief, but hopefully it's something good. Okay, so it says MF3RS2 M. That name though, and of course the fantastic business card. So I have an MF3RS2 right here. It's a very nice budget cube. It does probably take a little bit more setup than its predecessor, but for $8 it's still fantastic. I really enjoy the feeling, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. So let's get right into it. And also, this is a very affordable magnetic cube, well, in comparison to the other ones offered. Like this is, I think it's like $24 right now. And if you get it in stickerless too, it's probably a few dollars cheaper. So this cube is probably with the sale right now, I think there's a sale, it's probably about $20 right now. So that's crazy for a premium magnetic cube. So yeah, I assume that the magnets in here are a little bit stronger than the magnets in like their light cubes. Let's get into first turns. Ooh. Okay, it definitely is a bit gummy right now. It's interesting to see how this stickerless one feels. I definitely can feel a pretty significant difference. It's just different, you know? Okay, I'm not sure if it'll stay this slow or what, but I don't know, let's see. Alright, so I took about a minute or two to kind of work around the lube. This cube feels phenomenal, like, I'm really surprised. It's very smooth, a lot smoother than my unlubed MF3RS. It's fairly fast, and also the magnets definitely add to the stability, of course, like always. Man, that's a cool feeling. It's kind of weird to see the transformation from like this $8 cube to what this is. Whoa, those pieces. Got a red corner in there. But yeah, so like budget cubes, like compare this to a Guanglong, it just blows my mind. Like this is considered a budget cube. Man, pretty cool if you ask me. Yeah, I really enjoy this. Man, I'm kind of curious to see how my times are, because this feels really nice. Like definitely could compete with some of the top 3x3s, because I'm not getting many lockups at all. So we'll see. But yeah, that's about it. So thanks to the Cubicle for sending this cube out to me. Really impressed. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to purchase this puzzle. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching.